This is the final video to fix Diablo IV crashing, and if Diablo IV keeps closing or crashing on your PC, this video will solve it. Are you facing the problem where Diablo IV crashes at launch, during loading, or in the middle of gameplay for no clear reason? This usually happens because of outdated graphics drivers, corrupted game files, unstable settings, or background apps that conflict with the game. Most fixes you see on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and hard to follow, and many of them do not even work. That is why Rexis is sharing a secret easy trick that quickly stops Diablo IV from crashing and makes the game run stable again. This simple method works fast, uses safe settings, and helps you play without constant crashes. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix Diablo IV crashing, comment below and tell Rexis, and you can finally enjoy Diablo IV without interruptions.